Hi, so I'm going to join small diameter pipe to solid bar steel again, but this time attempt to forge weld them together. And I'm using round solid steel this time, same diameter as the pipe. This video combines probably the two things I've never done particularly well: form a tenon and forge weld in my small gas forge. I really need to thank four guys for their recent generous donations. They are Raymond O'Brien, Jerry S. Hodges, Terrence Gill, and James Dunn. May your forges never run low on fuel, and may your arms never tire. Thanks, fellas. Other than form a tenon for this, you might also just taper the solid bar stock. Someone mentioned this in the comments for the pipe handle tong video, and I think it's a good idea, and that's something that I might try in another video. My forge interior is pretty beat up, and so I think now is a good time to try a forge weld before I change the lining. I've left the tenons oversized for a tighter fit than last time. I don't think I'll be able to eliminate the seam where the pieces meet, but I flared the pipe out some to see if it will help fill in the line as the welding occurs. This is where I think just tapering the solid bar stock might be the better move. Remember how far down the tenon is when you strike. I pull the piece back so the pipe doesn't heat faster than the solid bar. I want to get that hardened boric acid off my anvil face. I had to take a break, and so I set these pieces aside. It's been a little while, and you can see how the flux is cooled. Still should be okay once I put them back in the forge. I want to try to get the solid bar and pipe up to heat at about the same time, so I progressively move the pieces forward. I normally do my forging in the 4 or 5 psi range, but for this I dialed it up to 7, and then 10, and then 12 psi. You don't always need to see sparks to be at welding temperature. You can see how the flux has oozed to the side and is really rough on the forge floor. I can really feel it sticking. If hitting with light taps doesn't accomplish welding, hitting harder will not make it weld. I decide to go one more time with both pieces. I was surprised to see how my last blacksmithing video, the pipe handle tongs, took off. For my fellow ham and egger YouTubers, getting a popular video is sort of like fishing. You keep plugging away and eventually you get a hit. And sometimes there's just no rhyme or reason. The thing you want to remember with forge welding is that it's cohesion, not adhesion. You want the two pieces to become one. These are not necessarily tongue blanks. I could use them for some other project, but I think making a tongue would be a good test of the welds. I need to do more to eliminate the seams, but internally these are forge welded in my opinion. We'll see. Catch you guys next time.